Hello, techies. This is comptia lab 6.2.7 and we're going to configure IP address. So all of the tasks that we're going to be working on in this particular lab is highlighted on the left pane. So we have a couple of work to do here. Let's see. Let's get into the details of what we have to do in this lab. So you work as an IT administrator for a small corporate network. You need to configure the workstation in the executive office so that it can connect to the local network and the internet. The workstation has two network interface cards named Ethernet and Ethernet 2. Having two network cards allows the workstation to connect to the local network as shown in the exhibit and another small network which is not yet built. So in this lab, your task is to configure IP version 4 TCP/IP using the settings specified in the table below. So for both the network cards, so from the exec office, ping the preferred DNS server assigned to the Ethernet NIC to verify that it can communicate successfully. All right, that's pretty much straightforward. We know what to do. So to access, let's see here, all of these tasks. So to access IPv4 settings, from the settings app, go to the network and internet, then advanced network settings. So let's start up right away. Okay, um, let's see. Advanced network settings, select more network adapter options, right click a connection and select properties. Select the Ethernet protocol version 4, then select properties. Okay, I guess we're gonna start up right away. Let's see what we have here. Let's see what we have here. These are the tasks. Here. This is the table to see IP settings, info. We have the subnet mask, we have the IP address, subnet mask, default, and the Ethernet. We have Ethernet 2. Alright, so all of the information we needed to complete its tasks has been provided for us here on the left pane. Alright, this, in the absence of any other thing, let us turn this to the back. And this is the network card here. So we unplug this. All right, so we'll go to this network and see what we have in this network area. Let's maximize this. Mm. And let's see, IPv4 subnet. Okay, we have all of this here. So let's go to search, and for this we want to search for and control panel. And that's because we want to access it. Let's maximize this. Okay, so what we want to do is access Ethernet network and sharing. Let's change adapt to settings, and we have Ethernet 2 is not plugged in. Okay, so Ethernet 2 have Ethernet 2 is not plugged in. And start this in here. It's 192.168. And 254 and the subnet mask. Let's go to the exhibit and see the details of the network within this area. So we have the switch here, the building A router. Building A router connects to switch, and then 192.168.0.5. Okay, so close this up, and for the default gateway, it's going to be 192.168.0.5. So let's go back to the exhibit again and just ensure that we're doing the right thing here. So this is preferred DNS server. Preferred is gonna be let's see, from the exhibit it's gonna be 163.128. That is 0.93. Alternate DNS server is going to be 163.128. .93. Go ahead and click OK. That is it. So we'll go to properties here, and this time around we'll go to IPv4, and we have all of this information. Okay, so go ahead and close this and see here. So Ethernet 2, and go to properties for Ethernet 2. We'll go to IPv4, and all of the details here are intact. So for that, this is going to be 10.0.0.0/16. Okay, so we just highlight this here. The zero Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, so if you're wondering what I'm doing here, I'm trying to impute the information according to the task that is given to us. You can see we have a set of IP address on the left pane, and we are going to go through it accordingly. So in case you're wondering what I'm doing, I'm trying to compute the correct IP address according to the task given to us on the left pane here. So here it says use the default marks that matches the class B subnet. Okay, so that's going to be 255.255.255.0.0. And for this, this is going to be, let's erase this. And for the default gateway, let's erase this also. Click OK. Click OK. And let's go to the terminal, Windows PowerShell, and let's do some pinging here. But let's see. Um, let's go back to exhibit and see what we have here. Let's go ahead and ping. One 163.128.80.93. So let's see what we have. This is successful, and let's ping. Let's ping 163.128.78.93, and that is successful also. Okay, let's close this, and I just put this aside. Reply. So let's go ahead and let's go into Google and try to search for anything, just to ensure that this internet is working. So we just type in anything at random and the internet is working fine. So let's see how we do. So we'll go ahead and scroll up, and that's it. It's 100%. If you find this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new to the channel, share this video on other educational platforms so that other students can benefit also. If you have further questions, reach me out in the comment section or through the WhatsApp number attached to this video. I wish you good luck in your educational pursuit. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video. Till then, peace.